الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. This is Nadir Al-Kilani, your ICT teacher. In this lesson, in our first recording, I will be covering two topics from chapter 18, present summary data inquiries and sort data inquiries. So to start covering those topics, you need to open your book and look for task 18B. That's, I think it's in page, hold on a second, it's in page 291 from your textbook, from your ICT book. So we're gonna start doing task 18B, but before we do task 18B, you should accomplish task 18A. 18A, which is importing cars.csv file into your database to create a cars table. So in order to do the query, first of all, we need to have cars table in your database. So after finishing task 18A, then you can go and start doing task 18B. Okay, so the task says open the file saved in task 18O. You don't have to do this. We don't have to do this one. So ignore the first line. I'm gonna start doing the task from the second paragraph. Select only the cars made by Audi, BMW, or Mercedes. Produce a new extract from all the data which for each of these makes of car calculates the sum of the sale price, the average sale price, the number of cars in stock. Sort this data into descending order of average sale price. So to start doing this, I've already done the query for you, and I've also imported the cars table. So how to produce this query, how to end with this result. We're going to start creating a query. So I'm going to close this one and I'm going to click create, then query wizard. Again, I'm trying to solve this one, this task 18B. So query wizard. Same I'm going to select the first option, which is sample query wizard. Okay. Now I'm not going to insert all of the fields. What I need is make and the S price, which is sale price. That's it. And then next, to display this summary, I'm going to click summary and then summary options. And from there, let's go back to the question. It says the sum of the sale price. Sum of the sale price. So this is the sale price, and if you tick this this square, you're gonna select the sale price, and then the average sale price. Sale price. Here's the average. And tick this option, and finally it says the number of cars in stock. Then now number of cars, it's like they need to count the number of each records for each car. So if we have like 3 Audi cars, the result's going to be 3 Audi cars. If it's in Mercedes 4, that's going to be 4, and so on. So we're going to tick this option, which will count record in cars, and then you click OK. Next. No need to change the query for now. We're going to click modify the query to add the criteria, which is select only cars made by Audi, BMW, or Mercedes. So let's go back again. Finish. Okay. So in the criteria, beside the criteria row, you're gonna type Audi space or BMW or Mercedes. You're gonna click anywhere else and then select run. So before we select run, I want you to take a look at the criteria. It says Audi or BMW or Mercedes, and this column will calculate the sum of price for the sale price. The other one, this will display the average of sale price, and the last one will count the records for each car. Once we're done, we can click run, and here's the final result. 3 cars from Audi, 3 cars from BMW, and 4 from Mercedes. Double click between the 2 columns to expand the column and to see the content of each cell, like so. And here's the final result. Now, after finishing the sum, average, and number, now it's time to do the last part of this task, which is sort this data into descending order of average sale price. So I'm going to click average of sale price, and I'm going to choose descending, and you will get this final answer. So save, and the task is done. So thank you for watching.